Okay, but we're back on the Elantra bumper. As you can see, the crack on the outside has been stitched, both cracks. Now we're going to use 3M05887. It's a multi-purpose 2-part plastic repair epoxy. So we'll just go across that stitching with this. Sorry, I'm just on a creeper seat. And then we'll just take our spreader. Smooth that out. You want to go both ways with it, so there's no air pockets. Now this has got about a 10-minute work time. It sands really easy and it's extremely strong. I haven't had any repairs fail on me yet. I've had people bump into snowbanks with cracked bumpers that have been repaired, and we've never had an issue. As long as you do a repair inside and out, so it's got a structural repair on the inside and a cosmetic repair on the outside, it will hold up just fine. And there we go. So we'll let that set up for about a half an hour.